Today we went to Snyder Park in Fort Lauderdale. It has a huge freshwater lake for me to swim in. Here's how it went.
Alright, Ollie, you ready to
So
go
at
for a
first,
swim?
I was nervous about getting in the water. My family tried to help me in, but then a girl. Hello, girl.
Hello.
My sisters threw the ball a bunch of times. So fun.
Ollie! Ay, ay, ay. Ollie,
Then I
come.
tried to steal someone's
no.
ball.
Ollie! Don't touch my ball.
We can't share.
Ollie, don't.
Ollie! Nope. My ball.
Get the toy. Get the toy, Ollie. Look.
My
Get
toy.
the toy. Get it. Good boy.
I got my toy.
Good. Good job. Right.
I had so much fun at the swimming lake at Snyder Park. Can't wait to come back.